Samsung vid. I saw there's a little knot there. If you look, all the rubbers have gone. So it's the cover piece there is missing, and you can see all the mould. In the drawers, it's got ice timer and ice mode. You have crushed ice, cubed ice, no ice, water, vacation settings. The buttons are, as you can see, are a bit faded. Again, they're all mouldy, so that'll need replacing, and the pipes need replacing, and the last few bits of drawers and things are out here. If you want it, see the model number. There we go. And the final piece, it's a Samsung.